In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain in Hostinger. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main control panel where all of your hosting and domain management options are visible. This is where you'll be able to access the tools needed for the transfer process. Next, look for the Domains section and click on it. This area is where Hostinger groups all domain-related features, including registration, management, and transfers. If you're new to the platform, don't worry if the layout looks a little different, depending on your account view. Just focus on finding the domain menu, since that's the starting point for moving your domain over. After that, click on Transfers. This will open the section specifically designed for bringing a domain from another registrar into Hostinger. Domain transfers are useful if you want to manage everything in one place, simplify renewals, or take advantage of Hostinger's tools and interface. Once you're in the transfer area, click Transfer to Hostinger. You'll then see a field where you can enter the domain name you want to transfer. Carefully type in your domain exactly as it is currently registered. It's important to double-check the spelling here, because even a small mistake can cause the transfer lookup to fail or lead to the wrong result. When you're ready, click Transfer. From this point on, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger will guide you through the remaining parts of the process step by step. Depending on the domain and its current registrar, you may be asked to review transfer details, confirm eligibility, or complete a few verification actions before the transfer can move forward. Read each screen carefully and make sure the information matches the domain you want to transfer. As you continue, take your time and avoid rushing through any confirmation pages. Domain transfers can involve approval steps, so it's always a good idea to review everything before submitting. If a prompt appears that you're unsure about, pause and read the instructions closely, since Hostinger usually provides helpful guidance directly in the interface. And that's it. Once you've entered your domain and followed the on-screen prompts, your transfer request will be in progress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to transfer a domain in Hostinger clearly and confidently.